How you can log into your online Danske Bank account. If you want to do some transactions on your Danske Bank but you don't want to download any application, you can do it through their website as well. So let's see how you can log in first. You want to open your web browser first and then search for Danske Bank login. And once you search for it, you can see many links right here. You just want to click on the first link right here that says log on. So here it will take you to the login page. If you have a personal account and you want to just continue with e-banking, click right here. Or if you have a business account, you can choose your choices accordingly. Now what you want to do is, if you already have an account, you can simply click on this e-banking, or you can click from right here as well. It will directly take you to the login portal. But if you didn't have an account, there was an option to choose to create an account, so you can do that as well. Now here it will ask you for your user ID and your passcode, so simply enter your user ID right here and your passcode as well. And once you do that, you can simply click on continue and it will log you right in your account. And that's how you can easily log on to the e-banking of Danske Bank. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.